Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at the Google Pixel 3 XL, the initial setup, and my first impressions. So let's start the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Let's just try to run through everything real quick. Connect to mobile. If you got Project Fi, you can use this SIM free. So let's just skip everything right now, including the Wi-Fi setup. Including everything, I just really want to show you guys how it works. So if you have to skip through everything, then you have to get a fake date. Click accept. So you do have the Pixel Imprint, which is basically it's like the Fingerprint Scanner, and you just got to set it up. So you could definitely just, let's see how fast that is. Okay, I'm gonna do a Kanye over here. So let's just see how fast it takes it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's about probably 7-8 times. Hit next. Just setting up everything. Just not special video, but that's about it, guys. Pretty smooth. I do have the unlocked version, so it doesn't have any bloatware. Probably unless you insert a SIM card, that might actually install some bloatware. But as you guys can see from the apps, this is what you're getting as soon as you power it on. Let's see about how much is out the box. Alright, go to storage. So out the box, you do get 10.56 gigs being used out of 64, which is not bad. I'm definitely feeling that, and you probably could erase a lot of the stuff that's actually here if you guys actually really wanted to. So let's just see how everything looks, how smooth it is. It is running Android Pie, and it looks like we do have an update actually waiting for the app. So this is pretty cool. So as far as my first impressions of it so far, that notch, it pretty much smiles at you, but it's like a happy robot that I've seen at CES. It's basically, it's just a smiling notch. Compared to the Pixel 2 XL, it's definitely less bezel, but you do have a nice little chin there. So I will be testing out the speakers, and I will definitely see if it's faster than usual. But this thing is definitely feeling fast. Gesture wise, I still have to get used to. So I'm definitely digging the white. I did have the Panda one, which it almost looks like the same exact back, but they just made this something like a whiter version. But I'm definitely digging the phone. I love how it feels in the hand. It pretty much feels exactly like the Pixel 2 XL, but a little bit different. I did actually set up the fingerprint scanner, so I see how fast that is. Right there, and you do have a nice little animation that pops up there. So it actually moved the screen. I don't know if you guys caught that. So I will be setting up the phone. Make sure you guys stay tuned to my social media. I will have a lot of pictures that I will be posting up there. The notch, I'm trying to say it's not terrible, but it is pretty big though. I mean, I think my first impression was that it was like a robot smiling at you, pretty much happy. I do see like a little black border around. It's almost like the iPhone XR, but this chin, man, we gotta see what could we do about this chin. So if I was you, I would definitely put a black background. So let's see how it looks if we add a black background. Okay, so we do have some installed ones. Let's see, currently grooved. Let's see what they got in here. Alright, so let's just see what came with. So it comes with these little things here. Got the world. Let's put the moon, or let's just put the world for right now and just see what that looks like. Alright, so if you have a dark wallpaper, you can't really actually see it at all, but it's definitely there, especially that chin. But as far as my first impressions, it feels exactly like the Pixel 2 XL. Let's see how much better it is and how far can I take this without this actually lagging. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the Pixel 3 XL, just follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and do exactly what you came here to do, and that's to get more coverage of the Pixel 3 XL. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.